Good day, Sir Earl. So we move to Arduino Project 3, which is the traffic light. And here's Group 5 Victorians members. As you can see, our leader Joshua Reynado and members Abigail Rinoza, Montgomery Nang, and me, Angelo Guntang. And here are the materials we use for this project. 13 pieces jumper cables then 6 pieces resistor 220R, then 5 pieces 5mm LED lights, then 1 piece push button. And here are the source code of our Arduino Project 3 traffic light. Cons in main red, number 13. So we put this in number 13. Then cons in main yellow to number 12. Then cons in main green to number 11, which is the center of the light. Then cons in cross red, number 10. Then cons in cross green to number 7. So let's start to void setup, the pin mode, then the main red output. Same with the pin mode of main yellow, and pin mode main green output, pin mode cross red output, and pin mode cross green output. Let's start with the main green and cross red. The digital right main green high with the digital right main red low. So that means the main green turn on, then the main red turn off. Then the digital right main yellow low, and then digital right cross red high. That means the main yellow going to turn on, same with main red. Then the cross red high going to turn on, same with main green.